My business is Rite Engineering. It's a CNC machine shop, and we've been in business since 1940. The more you grow as a machine shop, the more machines you put in there, the more heat they produce. So we were wondering, how are we going to deal with this? All of a sudden we were in manufacturing in the summer, approaching temperatures 108 degrees in there.
His was pretty serious. He got spots where he would have to shut down his business because it got so hot.
On my first visit to the building here, it was very warm on a chilly day and very poor indoor air quality. What Rite Engineering needed was exhaust fans to remove all the smoke and oil mist coming off the CNC machines. He had a vendor that suggested individual exhaust hoods over each machine. It would have been $100,000 to $150,000 installed. In my mind, he needed heat, he needed air conditioning, he needed exhaust fans, and the Ethereum provided all that.
Yeah, the Ethereum product is a new product. It's by Modine, so it's not a new company. It's their new design, and it's a fantastic unit. This is really a unique solution to this problem. There's a lot of stigma to this type of application that if you're bringing in 100% outside air, it's going to be too expensive to run. I think this building really proves that it's not. It is a viable alternative that as contractors and engineers, we need to look at as one of the solutions to take care of customers.
I've never been in an air-conditioned machine shop before, okay? This is the first one for me personally. And when all of a sudden you get this, you become real spoiled. It's like, wow, this is really something. And it really makes, I think, for the employee, a better way of life. It's healthier, it's cleaner.
The new air conditioning system was installed and everything completely changed. I was able to breathe so much better. I don't use my rescue inhaler anymore. It's very, very nice.
It made a world of difference. Made it a lot easier to work. I would tell them that the Ethereum is absolutely worth it.
Since we've had the Ethereum unit here, we've never had to shut down. In today's business, we all understand one thing, it's about deadlines. And if you're losing 15 to 20 hours a week, you're not going to be able to service your customers very good.
He said he needed to close down roughly 5 to 10 days a year because of the heat. Could be $1 million worth of business, of productivity that he lost.
Hey, number one is take care of your employees. After all this is over with, I want to be able to walk out of here and say, hey, my people were well looked after health-wise. And if you really want to have complete control of your manufacturing facility as far as temperature, humidity, air quality, heat, cooling, that's the way to go.